Alright, man, so what am I coming to show y'all today, bro? Y'all done already seen it, but I ain't give y'all a close-up on it. Most of y'all probably already know what it is if y'all, you feel me, gun addicts like me. But bringing y'all my Glock 30, bro. Gen 3. Yes, it's a Gen 3, not a Gen 4, not a Gen 5. It's a Gen 3. And we are clear. But one thing I want to say, bro, is why do this seem like so much smoother than all my other Glocks? Gen 4, my Glock 19X. Why do this seem smoother? Like the trigger pull. It just seemed more crisp. I don't know if it's like because it's brand new or what, but it's like... Now, I did buy this used, but it was brand new. Like, the owner, like, didn't do nothing to it. Probably shot it, like, 50 times. But, it's like, it's just, it's smooth, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know if I'm tripping or what. But, I got this because I wanted to switch out my EDC. I don't know if I'm going to be switching out my EDC. I don't know. It's like I've been trying to find stuff to switch out my EDC, but it's like I like carrying my FN 509 Tactical or my Glock 19X. I ain't got my 19X right now because it's still on my uniform, but hey, y'all know what it look like. Now another question: should I order another slide like RMR cut, another barrel, mag well? Keep the stock trigger, and throw a red dot flashlight. Just pimp this out. Or should I order a micro dagger? Now I might drop this tonight, so y'all please let me know so I can order it in the morning. Cause I'm still contemplating. I don't know what I want. And also I'm in a mix of throwing a plate on my... shit. Damn. Okay, we good. I'm tripping, bro. With my goofy ass. But, content I got coming. I got red dots to show y'all, man. Gideon sent these out to me. You feel me? So, we're gonna do a couple reviews on them. I gotta catch up on a lot of content, bro. I ain't been doing it. Your boy been under the weather. Y'all can probably hear it in my voice. Now, the review I'm going to do on that Gideon optic is going to be against the Siley Bear. So, we're going to do the Mediator versus the Siley Bear. And then, the Siley Wolf Zero up against the Omega. I don't know if that's really, like, a challenge. I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know. But that's content for the future that's coming. I still got to do a range video on this. Let me show y'all this seal safety check. We are clear. But for the past few days, bro, I have been carrying this. And it's been comfortable, bro. Like, I can't even lie. It's been very much comfortable. Now, I can say I'm not going to change this out to my EDC. I really just wanted to get rid of my SIG and get something else. I don't really care about no other guns except my EDC. I'm not going to lie to y'all. So, I know y'all be like, well, you trying to SIG for a Glock? Yes. I don't care about the SIG. Now, I added this texture tape, grip tape, goon tape, whatever y'all want to call it. It made the grip feel so much better. Now I want to show y'all what tape I do use. Wait a second, let me go get it. Bam. Now I honestly don't know what this is called. I got it off Amazon, but y'all can see it right there. But I got it on like I got it on all my guns. Well, not all of them, but most of the ones I deal with. Glock 30, Glock 19, M&P. All these are clear. What else I got it on? Glock 20. I want to get more in tune with this also. But I got other things to deal with, bro. I got other things to deal with, brother. But this is what this is about, bro. 10 rounds of 45 ACP. Well, 10 plus 1, 11. I done seen most people get the 13 rounder and get the X grip for it. I don't want the X grip. I'm cool with this small 10 plus 1. It does the job. It's a little thicker. Now, I don't know if this is a subcompact or a compact, because some people label it a subcompact, but it's damn near the same size as the Glock 19. Literally. It's damn near the same size. Now, this is 15 plus 1. This is 10 plus 1. Which one would you choose? I mean, I really don't care. If you don't know how to place them shots, then you don't need to be shooting, my boy. I feel like I can get the job done with this. Now, this is at the bare minimum of what you should be carrying. Now, if you're going under 10 plus 1, my boy, I feel bad for you. I be seeing people carry 6. I don't feel like 6 is enough. Absolutely not, my boy. Because I feel more than comfortable with this, and this is 17 plus 1. Right? And I'm comfortable with this, and this is 10 plus 1. It's not much of a difference, but it's a difference when you can't shoot. I say that. It's a difference when you can't shoot. Like, if something happening, I'm not just letting off rounds. I'm finna put my eye on that target and let these rounds go. Now, I also do carry an extra mag. Where? Oh, here you go. I do carry an extra mag. So, that's 20 rounds. Now, I see some people, like I said, they carry the 13 round mag. This is a 10 millimeter mag, so this is not the mag for that, but it fits in there. It don't go to this. It won't function in this, but that's how it look. That's how the 13 rounder look in there. I'm not a fan of that. So if you're a fan of that, then I don't know. If you're gonna carry the 13 rounder with the X grip, bro, just switch to 9 mil. You feel me? And you can have 15 rounds. That's how I feel. We got a lot of things that we gon' finish on this channel, because I started a lot of builds that I didn't finish, bro. I got a lot of stuff. This is clear, YouTube. One thing I can say is this: the spring and guy rod on this thing is super tight, but it ran. It run. And I actually ran my G-Flex trigger with this same upper slide, whatever you want to call it. I ran my G-Flex on this, and it actually functioned really good. Really good. You feel me? But we got a lot of things we're gonna finish. I just wanted to come drop this video for y'all, because I ain't been on YouTube. I ain't dropped no shorts in a minute, bro. I've been under the weather, and when I'm sick, bro, I don't want to eat. I just want to take showers, drink water, drink Gatorade, and sleep. That's it. Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all, but tune in. Keep liking, keep subscribing to your boy. We got hella content to come, bro. I just wanted to come drop this video off to y'all, show y'all a new firearm to the channel, bro. We're gonna do big things with this. It ain't really much I can do to it, but this thing it's perfect for EDC. This is the perfect gun for everyday carry. Now, what I want to say, before we end the video, what should I do? Should I order the slide in the barrel? Or should I order the micro dagger? Comment below. We out.